Hi, everybody. My name is Robert Carlson. I'm head of business development at Zest Finance. Happy to be with you today. So a little bit on us. We were founded in 2009. Our CEO, founder Douglas Merrill, was the first CIO VP of engineering at Google. And he left believing that he could take the machine learning used in ad targeting and apply it to the credit underwriting space. So we actually started as a direct-to-consumer lender before switching to B2B. And our most recent client is Discover Financial, although we've had a lot of great customers that we've worked with in the past. So why work with us? Well, it turns out machine learning really works. So we work with lenders often, and on average, 15% of an increase we can apply to their approval rate with no added risk. On average, we can decrease their charge-off rate by 30% with no changes to approval rate. And then there are some really great use cases like $800 million credit expansion for a credit card issuer. So why aren't more companies using machine learning? Well, there are a few reasons right up here. The biggest one, and you probably heard of it if you follow artificial intelligence, is the black box nature of machine learning. So that means, to a very granular level, a company can't say why a machine learning model reached the decision that it did. And for finance, that's on an applicant. And it turns out that if you can't do that, you can't conform with a number of regulations, including Fair Credit Reporting Act, Equal Credit Opportunity Act, and that's exactly what we help companies do. So if you can do that, you turn in some great use cases. So this is our work with a lender who opened a new digital channel in between 2014 and 2017. Because the applicant pool on the digital channel is different from their traditional applicant pool, their loss rates doubled. And so we came in, we collaborated, they're using our technology, and they cut their loss rate in half. And for a lender of this size, it's $80 million a year. Another great use case for machine learning is it uses a lot more data. So we're working with lenders who are using 20 to 40 variables usually to underwrite somebody, whether it's a person, whether it's a business, whatever their use case is. And so this is an example of working with an auto lender where we increase the approval rate on thin file credit applicants, the applicants who don't have an extensive credit file, by 400% with no changes to risk. And for first-time borrowers under the age of 25, we increased that approval rate by 60%. So these are pretty great use cases, and we're really proud of our work. And you may think it's really complicated. It's actually, I'd say, think of our technology as a risk score. For a lender, it feeds into their existing IT infrastructure. So it applies on-prem, in the cloud, however your IT is implemented. And then for lenders, we plug into loan origination systems pretty easily. In fact, we have partnerships with a few of them. We started out, as I said, direct-to-consumer, and we have a lot of experience in unsecured consumer lending, but we've moved into collateralized, we've done auto work, we've done work in mortgage, telecoms, insurance. It turns out a lot of different companies need to be able to explain their machine learning models, and we help you do it. That's the core of our technology. So if you have a particular use case, if you want to talk to me afterwards, please come up and say hi. Thank you.